Buying a new sofa is one of the biggest furniture purchases you'll make, and with so many different options available at IKEA, choosing the right one can feel overwhelming. While every sofa might look great under the bright lights of the showroom, it's what happens after months or even years of everyday use that really matters. That's why, in this video, we're counting down 5 of IKEA's highest-rated sofas based on customer feedback and popularity. We'll take a closer look at what makes each one special, who it's best suited for, and why thousands of people have chosen them for their homes. Whether you're furnishing your first apartment, upgrading your family living room, or simply looking for the most comfortable place to relax after a long day, one of these sofas could be exactly what you're looking for. Welcome to Infinite List. Let's get started. Starting our countdown at number 5 is IKEA's premium flagship sofa, the Stockholm 2025. If you're someone who wants your living room to have a more luxurious feel without paying designer furniture prices, this sofa should definitely be on your shortlist. The Stockholm 2025 has received plenty of praise since its launch, thanks to its premium fabrics, deep seating, and beautifully crafted Scandinavian styling. Rather than feeling like a budget sofa, many customers say it feels far more expensive than its price tag suggests. One of its biggest strengths is comfort. The cushions are generously filled, creating a soft yet supportive seat that encourages you to sit back and relax for hours. Whether you're watching a film, reading a book, or entertaining friends, this sofa is designed to be both stylish and practical. Its clean lines and understated design also mean it won't quickly go out of fashion. Unlike trendier furniture that can look dated after a few years, the Stockholm 2025 has a timeless appearance that should fit comfortably into a wide variety of home styles. Of course, premium quality does come at a higher price than many other IKEA sofas, so it may not be the best option for shoppers on a tighter budget. But if you're willing to invest a little more for extra comfort and higher-end materials, many early owners believe it's one of the finest sofas IKEA has ever produced. Taking 4th place is the Hilltarp, one of IKEA's newest additions, that's quickly becoming a favorite among customers looking for maximum comfort. The first thing you'll notice about the Hilltarp is its deep seating and oversized cushions. This isn't the kind of sofa where you perch on the edge. It's designed for stretching out, curling up under a blanket, and enjoying a lazy afternoon. Many buyers compare its comfort to the expensive cloud sofas that have become increasingly popular on social media and in interior design magazines. While those designer sofas can often cost several £1000s, the Hilltarp offers a similar relaxed feeling at a fraction of the price. Its soft appearance also helps create a warm and inviting atmosphere in any living room. Whether your decor is modern, minimalist, or more traditional, the Hilltarp blends in surprisingly well. Another advantage is that its generous proportions make it ideal for families or anyone who enjoys spending lots of time on the sofa. There's plenty of room to spread out, making it perfect for movie nights or simply putting your feet up after work. One thing to consider is that because the cushions are particularly soft, they may require occasional fluffing to keep them looking their best. But for many owners, that's a small price to pay for such a comfortable place to relax. Number 3, Landskrona. Our number 3 pick is the stylish Landskrona. If appearance is just as important as comfort, the Landskrona has a lot going for it. Its sleek profile, slim legs, and clean Scandinavian design give it a sophisticated look that many people associate with much more expensive furniture brands. Available in both fabric and leather finishes, it can suit everything from contemporary apartments to modern family homes. But this sofa isn't just about looks. The Landskrona also offers supportive medium-firm cushions that many owners find ideal for everyday use. Rather than sinking deeply into the sofa, it provides enough support to maintain good posture while still being comfortable enough for long evenings in front of the television. This balance makes it especially popular with people who regularly entertain guests, as it looks smart while remaining comfortable for extended conversations. Its raised legs also make cleaning underneath much easier, something robot vacuum owners will particularly appreciate. If there is one small criticism, it's that people who prefer an extremely soft sofa may find the Landskrona a little firmer than some of IKEA's other models. However, for many buyers, that additional support is exactly what they're looking for. Number 2, Fryheaton. Just missing out on the top spot is the hugely successful Fryheaton corner sofa bed. If you've ever searched for IKEA sofa recommendations online, chances are you've come across this model. The reason is simple. It offers incredible versatility. During the day, the Freiheden functions as a spacious corner sofa that's perfect for relaxing with family or friends. But when guests come to stay, it quickly transforms into a generously sized bed in just a few simple steps. Hidden beneath the chaise is a large storage compartment that's ideal for keeping bedding, blankets, and pillows neatly tucked away until they're needed. For smaller homes, apartments, or anyone who doesn't have a dedicated guest bedroom, this combination of seating, sleeping, and storage makes the Freiheden one of IKEA's smartest purchases. It's also one of IKEA's most reviewed sofas, with thousands of satisfied customers praising its practicality and excellent value for money. Of course, because it's designed as a sofa bed, it may not feel quite as luxurious as some sofas built purely for comfort. But when you consider everything it offers, it's easy to understand why it's become such a long-standing bestseller. Taking the #1 spot is the legendary Ektorp. This sofa has been a customer favorite for years, and despite IKEA regularly introducing newer models, the Ektorp continues to receive outstanding reviews. One of the biggest reasons for its popularity is simple: comfort. The generously padded cushions create a soft, welcoming place to relax, making it perfect for long evenings watching television, reading, or spending time with family. Unlike many modern sofas that prioritize style over comfort, the Ektorp manages to offer both. Another feature owners absolutely love is the removable, machine-washable covers. For households with children, pets, or simply the occasional coffee spill, this can make a huge difference over the lifetime of the sofa. Many customers also appreciate its timeless design. Rather than following short-lived furniture trends, the Ektorp has a classic appearance that continues to look good year after year. Perhaps the biggest compliment comes from long-term owners. It's common to hear people say they've owned an Ektorp for many years and would happily buy exactly the same model again if they ever needed a replacement. That level of customer loyalty is incredibly rare in the furniture world and speaks volumes about its quality and comfort. If you're looking for a sofa that's reliable, comfortable, practical, and proven over many years, it's difficult to argue against the Ektorp taking the #1 position. Ultimately, the best IKEA sofa depends on what matters most to you. If you want a premium centerpiece for your living room, the Stockholm 2025 is hard to ignore. If maximum comfort is your priority, the Hilltarp could be exactly what you're looking for. If style and everyday support are equally important, the Landskrona is an excellent all-round choice. Need something practical for guests? The Freiheden is one of the smartest sofa beds available. And if you simply want a proven classic that's loved by thousands of customers year after year, it's difficult to beat the Ektorp. Whichever one you choose, reading customer reviews, and, if possible, visiting your local IKEA to try each sofa in person can make all the difference. After all, everyone has their own idea of the perfect level of comfort. Before you go, we'd love to hear from you. Which of these sofas is your favorite? Or do you already own one of them? Share your experience in the comments below. It might help someone else make the right decision. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please give it a like and subscribe to Infinite List for more rankings, buying guides, and fascinating lists from around the world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.